Hi guys, thanks for watching our new video. Since we did quite a lot of changes in the near past, I just wanted to give you a little overview about one of our new features, or not brand new, but refurnished basically. That's our Enterprise extension. Enterprise is basically designed for larger companies and agencies, for example. So with this extension to your account, you will be able to centrally manage all of your digital signage screens, and it doesn't matter where they're located. That's pretty neat because you are in charge from your account, and it doesn't matter if you have 10, 20 or 100 screens. They're all in one overview and you have no problem creating all the content whatsoever. Additionally, you also have the ability to set up sub-accounts, which is pretty neat. For example, if you're an agency and you do have different customers, you can create one sub-account for each customer, and you can actually work with those accounts. For example, you have one customer who is really into social media. You know, we have Facebook integration, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter. So you can book those extensions for only the one customer, while another one might need a timer function, for example, because he wants to shut off the screens at night. So it's really neat to actually build the account like the need that the customer has. So this is one of the main functions. The second one is you will be able to share content with all of your sub-accounts. You can create as many as you want to. That's pretty new as well. And you can also share your entire playlists. If you have different customers in the same area or in the same industry better, and you just create the content once and they all can use it. At the same time, you're able to lock content. So let's say you have a corporate identity that you need to work with. So you can set up one template with like the color, the company logo, and maybe the image is given as well. And you can actually label things that are allowed to be edited. So you can put a text area in there where people can write their own offer, for example, and share this one template, so the other users will only be able to change the text, not the color, not the logo, not the image. That's pretty neat as well. One other really great feature is that you can define it's called default playlist for each sub-account. For example, you sell advertisement time over your whole network. Then you can actually create one playlist that has all the advertising content in it and set this as the default playlist. You can choose if you want every sub-account to have the same, or only for one certain customer, the default playlist. And then this playlist will always be displayed no matter if this one customer also creates own content or not. So this is a pretty neat feature as well. Yes, and of course, if you grow bigger or you already have a big company, you as the admin have all the costs listed underneath. So it's a great overview. You don't get lost. You will always see with one view, like, what are my total monthly costs? So I think that's pretty helpful. Yeah, since we already talked about the costs, we offer this extension on a monthly base, and it's $240 or 200 euros. And if you decide to extend your account to an enterprise, you will also get a discount on the regular price for the licensees. So instead of paying 18 US dollars per license per month, you will get a discount and you will only be charged $15. And in euro, the regular price is 15 euro. So this will be discounted to 12. By the way, some clients want to use our system in their own corporate identity. So there's also a white label feature available. So you can actually use your own colors, you can use your own logo, you will get your own URL. So this is interesting for you. I just wanted to mention it so you know we can actually do this for you. I think it's best if you actually try the features. So if you go on our website on www.viewneo.com, you can register for free and you have a 30-day trial where you can test all the features. And you can test the enterprise feature as well. So actually just try it out and work a little bit with it. And I'm pretty sure you will have more questions. And for that, you will find a link down below where you can schedule a meeting with us. And then my colleagues and me will do a walk through our system to answer all of your questions. Thanks for listening.